Breakfast, as we all know, is the most essential meal of the day. However, just because you know how important this meal is, it doesn't mean you always have time to prepare something amazing. A delicious breakfast isn't something you can achieve every day. That isn't to say we should settle for a sugar surge that will leave us miserable and hungry a half hour later. When it comes to healthy breakfast ideas, you'd be amazed how many of them need relatively little effort to make. These nutritious breakfast ideas don't have to be limited to the morning hours. Expand your horizons and give these healthy options a try to keep your breakfast cravings at bay. Number 1. Avocado toast with egg. The once niche food trend has now become a mainstream American favorite for breakfast and brunch. Just a few simple ingredients: top 2 lightly toasted slices of whole grain bread with smashed avocado, and a dusting of salt and pepper. For a healthy dose of protein, top with 2 sunny side up eggs, and you've got yourself a well-rounded breakfast. Number 2. Nut butter and banana toast. It's easy to make and has the perfect balance of protein and carbohydrates. Use sunflower seed butter and a sprinkling of whole raw chia seeds in this nutritious spin on standard peanut butter and banana. The combination of nut butter, banana, and chia seeds fills you up and keeps your stomach full while also keeping your mind fueled. Number 3. Berry and yogurt smoothie. Smoothies are a terrific way to include more fruit to your diet while also nourishing your body. Blending fresh or frozen fruit with Greek yogurt and a liquid of your choice, almond milk, soy milk, water, coconut water, all this only takes less than 5 minutes. It's high in protein, so it'll keep you feeling full the whole morning. Number 4. Berry breakfast parfait. Breakfast parfaits are a great way to start your day, and it's one of the easiest, healthiest, and tastiest breakfasts out there. The best part? It can be made with any toppings you like. Choose fruits that are in season to get the best flavor. But if you're in a hurry, frozen will do too. Layer it with yogurt, granola, nuts, and fruits to make a gorgeous and delicious breakfast that will keep you full all morning. Number 5. Classic omelet. Omelet is popular among health nuts because it allows for a lot of creativity and the incorporation of as many healthy components as desired. Despite the fact that omelets are one of the healthiest breakfast items available, we often unwittingly add far more calories to them than we'd like. The idea is to include a lot of vegetables, which is the best method to give your omelet more fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Instead of going for high-fat content ingredients like bacon, add shredded chicken or turkey to your omelet for more protein. All of this can be put together in a matter of minutes, and will keep you full for hours.